Welcome back, folks. And I am about to put this exhaust system on the car. My neighbors have been very friendly for the last few weeks because I've been making quite a bit of noise trying to get this car up and running. So what this is the TTI exhaust system that's recommended for the 426 with the long tube headers. I have 2 1/4 inch collectors, and it'll be 3 inch going out the back. So as you can see right here, I had the cutouts cut into this. I took it up to a local shop, and they nicely cut those in there, welded them in. Looks really, really good. My welding skills are like average, so I don't want to try that. Plus, I wanted it to look nice. So I'm gonna come out the back, and I will have Dynomax race bullets. Oh, and regarding the cutouts, I'll be using the QuickTime Performance electric cutouts. So I've never used these before, so looking forward to having that ability to just, uncap the car whenever I want to. So I'm gonna follow this up with just photos, step by step. You can see exactly how I did it. So I'll see you guys at the end. All right, with the exception of some hangers on the back, and really welding everything up. This is pretty much how it's going to sit for now. Probably change it up a little bit over the winter, but I think it's nice. It's nicely tucked out of the way. This is from like the side angle, so it looks pretty good to me. Can't wait to hear how it sounds, and I will probably end this video with a before and after. So stand by, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.